Hello, I'm Ruben from Delphi. Today I'm showing you how to carry out a rear brake pad change in a car with an electric parking brake. We must remember that as this is a vehicle with an electric parking brake, we need a diagnostic tool to wind back the motor on the caliper. We are going to use the DS180 Bluetech tool.
The vehicle is a second-generation Nissan Leaf. Let's connect the Delphi DS diagnostic machine, place the vehicle on the ramp, and remove the rear wheels.
Once connected, we select the vehicle and search for the desired function. Select the Start Brake Pad Replacement function. Once the motor has retracted, we can wind back the piston as we would in a conventional handbrake caliper. With the rear brake pad change completed, select the electric parking brake initialization function and click Continue. Since this is an electric vehicle, we've used Delphi's new EV pads designed specially for electric vehicles. Right, that's the job complete. We have replaced the pads, used the diagnostic tool to set the correct position, and now it's ready to drive. Thanks for watching. Why not follow us on social media or visit our Masters of Motion online hub? If you want to see more, then check out our expert courses at the Delphi Academy. See you soon.